Following the path of the chakras, we leave control, abandonment, and guilt, and move into the next card. Sabotage or self-sabotage. They are unconscious acts that appear in moments that can mean a change in our life. These behaviors tend to hinder achievement. The goal of self-sabotage is to keep you within your comfort zone. We have placed the sabotage at the level of the second chakra, closely linked in growth to the root chakra. As we know, all emotions are engraved in our early years, where we are more easily influenced and where, without us even realizing it, they seek their place and then come to the surface, where a simple memory makes a dent in us and will become something that we believe identifies us. On this occasion, we will again look to nature, which with its infinite wisdom will teach us. Water will be our guide in this search for emotions. Like a drop of water in a river that dreams of flowing into the sea to become part of something bigger. We started school to learn and become better human beings. The fear of not living up to what is expected of us and the looks of contempt will lower our self-esteem to the point of making us feel inferior. An extra laugh, a word in the air about how things should be done will weigh on us the burden of failure. What is just someone's opinion on how things should be done? The limits of others become our limits. Pessimism takes hold of us. And the drop that wanted to reach the sea will remain stagnant in a pond, and this will mark a crucial stage of our development. The sabotage to ourselves will begin to open a hole in our subconscious. It will be like a form of defense to avoid failure. We will go through indifference to everything. We will use boredom and apathy to avoid moving forward in the river of life. We will calm our impatience to get out of the pond with laziness, and although sometimes this situation of stagnation makes us feel disgusted, the obsession not to feel failure again will be stronger. Even if our first impression is that we want to move forward and not set limits, again, we will find a way to sabotage ourselves in order to stay in yesterday, in what we know. Pursuing our dream of change and flowing into the sea entails a lot of effort and the culture of limits that we ourselves have created. The subconscious will be on the alert to sabotage any action that may cause us to walk the talk. The noble gases that can come in gratitude for being able to start that path, even if the bumps are not simple, the ones we desire. Creativity to overcome solitude, overcome limits, and find the way out. Happiness, to keep us on the crest of the wave for longer. Love, for ourselves and the infinite possibilities that life offers us. And forgiving, ourselves for our mistakes. And why do we use such a sad way to get rid of our dreams, when everything that happens to us in life is an opportunity for learning? As Thomas Edison said, "I have not failed. I have only discovered 1999 ways of how not to make a light bulb."